Introducing the iQOO Z5 5G in color Arctic Dawn. The smartphone comes in 3 color variants of Arctic Dawn, Cyber Grid and Mystic Space. The smartphone sports 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM that takes care of your multitasking needs. You will get 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage for all your storage requirements. The smartphone supports dual SIM connectivity. The iQOO Z5 5G flaunts a 6.66 inches Full HD Plus display with a whopping 120Hz of refresh rate that provides ultra-smooth transitions by reducing the lag time. The panel also supports HDR10 and DCI-P3. You can securely unlock your device with the fingerprint sensor. The smartphone features a triple rear camera setup with a flagship 64-megapixel autofocus main camera with GW3 sensor and f1.79 aperture. The camera also gets Super Night mode so that you can take highly detailed pictures even in dark. You can also record 4K videos in 60 FPS. The 16-megapixel front camera allows you to take beautiful selfies. You can capture the moments comprehensively by displaying rear and front camera visuals simultaneously. The smartphone runs on FunTouch OS 12 based on Android 11. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G, this iQOO smartphone allows you to do seamless multitasking and perform heavy gaming without any hassle. It also comes with liquid cooling technology that reduces surface temperature by up to 3 degrees and CPU core by up to 12 degrees Celsius. The 5000 mAh battery offers long-lasting usage, and with 44-watt FlashCharge support, you can charge your phone up to 50% in just 23 minutes. The box includes the cell phone, charger, USB Type-C cable, SIM eject tool, quick start guide, warranty card and phone case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.